Good morning, CMS. Today is Wednesday, October 7th, 2020. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody. Today's menu. This is Wednesday's menu. We have choice A, Sloppy Joe on a bun, baked chips, steamed corn, peaches, and fresh fruit. Choice B, chef salad with a muffin. Now we move on to Thursday's menu. Choice A, lasagna roll-ups with marinara breadsticks, steamed peas, pears, or fresh fruit. Choice B, French bread pizza and tater tots. Breakfast for Thursday, fresh baked breakfast bar, banana and milk. Just a reminder, in case you didn't know, Picture Day is October 9th. Attention CMS students and staff. Student Council's annual Socktober drive starts next week. Please consider donating socks in any size and gender. Make sure they are new in their original packaging. We will hold a week-long competition between home bases and the home base with the most pairs of socks donated during the Socktober drive will win a donut breakfast. Students who are attending school, bring your socks to the home base. Students who are online, drop your donations in the bin that will be outside of the cafeteria doors. Remember, the drive starts Monday, October 12th. That's literally this upcoming Monday. And it goes to October 16th. Your donations will help many families right here in our Cloverleaf District. Thank you so much for your support. We've got shout-outs on the way. And in case you're wondering, yes, we're not in Cleveland. All right, I don't even know what city that is. I don't even think that's Cleveland. We're not in whatever city that is. We're not, okay? The world that was spinning was glitching out because we had a power outage. And for some reason, the World Colt TV CMS thing that was in the back, it's not functioning properly. I can't help it. I literally tried fixing it multiple times. Nothing happened. So that's why, in case you were thinking that there's a city in the background, well, there is. And I don't even know what city it is. All right, moving on to the shout-outs. Shout out. Today's 6th grade shout-out goes to, drumroll please, Quinn Malarkey. Congratulations, Quinn. Today's 7th grade shout-out goes to Russell Hinderman. Congratulations, Russell. Today's 8th grade shout-out goes to Julian Watts. Congratulations, Julian. Now we have the teacher shout out. The teacher shout out goes to Miss Davis. Congratulations, Miss Davis. As you can see, what I just discussed, it's just on the bulletin board. Just a reminder, we have October 9th, CMS Picture Day, and October 12th to 16th is our Socktober donation collection. The quote of the day. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul and healthy for the body. Show your coat pride, be respectful, be responsible, and be safe. That's a wrap, Cloverleaf. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today is Wednesday, and you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. Be blessed, Cloverleaf.